the Lord, what heaven is singing now. He said to me, Agiazo, I dedicate myself to you alone. The life I live is no longer my own.
Listen, can I give you a mystery? When the Bible says he's the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and... Do you know God can send a man to you to save you from something that is going to happen 10 years from now? He can see that 7 years from now, there is a drought coming. And he sends a dream to you, Joseph. But Joseph, you need the wisdom to go back to him to interpret that dream. How many Josephs today have dreams and they don't remember them?
To you, separated